Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter presentation of data, that is pie or circular diagram. The pie diagram is a circle divided into various segments showing the percentage value of a series. This diagram does not show the absolute value. The construction of pie diagram involves the following step, means the first, as the step, absolute value of the series are converted into the percentage value. If in, for example, if in a class 45 students, 20 are the first divisor and 15 are the second divisor and 10th are the third divisor, then the term of percentage would be the 20 upon 45 into 100, 44.45% division, 15 upon 45 into 100, 33.33, and 10 upon 45 into 100, 22.22 are third division. The second, draw a circle. Note for fact that within a circle we can draw the four angle of segment 90 degree each. So the circle comprises the 90 of the 360 degree. However, the circle is called pi is to be finally divided on the basis of given actual data. The given the percentage share of the first divisors and the divisors and the third divisor of 44.44, 33 and 22.22 respectively, and adding up to 100, we divide the circle in the terms of difference angle under 44 upon 0.45 upon 100 into 360 is equal to 160, 33.33 upon 100 into 360, 120, 22.22 upon 100 is equal to 360 is equal to 80. Then we get 360. So according 44.45% of the first divisor would mean that 160 out of 360, 33.33 second divisor would be out of 120, 360 and 22, that is 80 degree out of 360. Thus showing each value in the circle clockwise as shown in the pie diagram. They indicate the percentage distribution of students in the class 11 according to their division status. Here are the example given in 2011-12. The net domestic product by the industry origin is 2004 is given below. The present information in the form of pie diagram. Sector: primary, secondary, transport, finance and community service. Social sector means data is given 6.2%, 25.4%, 27.5, 18.1, 12.8 is equal to 100. Then we converted into in the 360, that is 16.2 upon 100 into 360, 58.32. Like that we converted 25.4 100 into 360, 91.44, and then 99 degree, then 65.16, 46.08 degree. Then we converted these degrees into the pie diagram like that. Thank you.